This is my technology integration framework project. So the video I used was of a class and the integrated technology by having the students research by themselves or with a partner about a vocab word that was later going to be presented to the whole school. And so let's see. So for the summary and the important aspects, they integrated technology as an alternative for her lecture. So instead of her lecturing about the definitions and having them write all of them down, instead they did their own research and came up with their own definitions that they later got to present. And then this word and presentation is used for the school's daily word in their morning news. And so after they made these videos themselves, they would play on the screens for every classroom in the school. And so next, we have the name and where it falls on the Lodi framework. And so I decided that this fell on the Lodi framework in level 3 infusion because this learning activity it infuses technology into the lesson, although it is ultimately teacher directed. And so since the teacher gives the definition to the students and tells them exactly what to do, the technology is utilized in the classroom, but it's not up for the kids to really direct themselves or lead themselves. For it to move into a level 4, there would have to be collaboration with outside resources, such as videos or lectures of someone else, or bring something or someone into the classroom to help them learn about their definition. But since it's such an individualized project, that's not really possible. Next, this addresses equity because the teacher allows class time and work time to get this done, and it's used by a school computer. And so the students don't have to use their own computer to do this, and they don't have to find one, they don't have to charge it, they don't have to find the time to do it. It is all given to them by the school. And so every student has access to this. And then class time and work time, since it is on the computer and the computer is the school's computer, it has to be done in class. And so all the students are allowed time to work on it. They're allowed the resources. And so it addresses equity because there's no students who wouldn't be without a computer or who wouldn't be without the time needed to complete this project. This addresses social connection by connecting the students with the rest of the school as well as the students in the classroom. And so the students either got to work by themselves or with each other, which allowed them the choice. But when they worked with another student, it helped them connect with that student and become closer to that student through the cooperation aspect. And then since it's presented to the whole school and to all of the classrooms, this creates connections between classrooms and between teachers that teachers wouldn't usually have those students in their class, or students really wouldn't get to meet those other students because they're in different grades or different classes. And so it creates a good web of people and a good connection. Lastly, this shows participation because if a student doesn't do their definition, they don't work on their definition, they don't have a video to present to the whole school. They're learning from experience, they're learning how to use a computer, and they're learning how to do research by themselves or with a partner. And so you have to be present and you have to participate for this project to be able to work. Yeah, that's my project that I chose to do this slideshow on.